Chetika is at RI Expo bringing you the latest updates from the renewable energy sector. Today we are with the Oravot team member who is the founders of the company. So we will talk to them about their company and their products in display. Sir, please introduce yourself and tell us about your company and its core expertise.
Hi, I'm Ajit Misra, I'm CTO and founder of the company, and we are solar hybrid inverter manufacturer. Our product is designed especially for Indian market, where power quality and usage for residential application is a major challenge. So we as an engineer with experience of in solar industry last 15 years and having expertise of solar inverter and technology understanding, so we have developed a product which is more suitable for Indian market and their adverse conditions of power qualities.
Sir, please introduce yourself and give us a brief idea about what are the products displayed here.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm Vivek. I'm Vivek Dutt. I'm also the co-founder and the CEO of the company. We are basically trying to, create a product, hybrid inverter, which is very much in demand, and we want to create this to suit the Indian conditions and to address the pain points. The major critical issue is the service, and we have a huge expertise in service of inverters, all kinds of inverters. So past 12 to 15 years, we have created that strength which motivated us to manufacture our product as well. So this Oravot came into being this year, and it is made in India. It is duly BI certified and everything. We are giving 8 years of warranty, which is very rare in the market. We also offer a battery as well, lithium-ion battery, so we can offer a combo product. And we are very competitively priced, so we hope for the best.
So would you say that price is your USP?
Definitely, price, quality, and service assurance.
So,
These are three of our USPs.
sir, in the coming next 2-3 years, are you planning to launch any other product that will be part of your product line?
In near future, we are planning to strengthen our series, our bouquet of the products, and then in the longer future, we are going for BESS, battery energy storage system.
So that is on one part. So another part, where are you also planning for any other new partnership or any other initiative in the coming future?
But to optimize the quality, to optimize the product design, we are collaborating with many other players for different part of inverters, as well as to make a complete solution. We are collaborating with some battery manufacturer as well. In longer run, we are planning to develop our in-house manufacturing of battery. But currently, yes, we are collaborating with our industry partners.
So how do you see company like yours contributing in industry achieving the target of renewable energy?
For the country like us, decentralized power generation and their micro controlling management of energy is key factor, because in India, the remote locations, their transmission related challenges, power quality related challenges are like huge. So decentralized solar installation on rooftop, using their own battery storage, supplying for their own micro requirement is a key factor which will contribute to achieve this, reduce the transmission losses of the system and achieve this net zero carbon emission requirement of the market really soon.
With all these challenges being addressed, where do you see the renewable energy sector going in the next decade or 5 years?
I mean, if you see in India currently, the most of the loads are residential or commercial. Industry, manufacturing sector is still booming. Once that is there, their huge requirement of power is going to come, and the way thermal power is not, something which we are supporting, we are considering for the future requirement. Renewable and their combination with battery to supply 24/7 continuous power and uninterrupted power supply for all the remote area for the industry and increasing load requirement. Renewables role will be very crucial and very important.
So you want to add on that?
No, definitely, future is solar, ma'am. Future is solar, and apart from solar, the future will require more and more energy storage. So storage and solar will be the future.
Thank you, sir. Yes, storage and solar is the future. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining and sharing your thoughts.